Oh. All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're on the Burromax with the belt kit, nice and quiet, sneaky beaky. Look at this. These people don't even see me. They don't know we're here. This will be our first time taking the belt-driven Burromax on a group ride, and we're doing it at night, as you can see. How's it going? Hey, what's up, man? It feels so good to be out here on a cool evening, as opposed to probably the past 5 rides we've done. It's been over 100 degrees, so this is a nice change. Let's see, how are we doing on time? 52, still got 8 minutes. What's up, dude?
What's up,
how's it going? Gotta get me some of those glowing wheel things. Where are we going? What's this guy doing? All right. Feels good to be back out. Can we get through here? Ooh. Ooh. He's okay. He's back up. Oh, he is taking us up there. Okay. Nice. He must have seen the video.
Right when we talked about it, huh?
Woo. All right. This is that little lookout we came to a few videos back. We'll be able to see the best view of the city at dusk. Dawn, dusk, whatever this is. Look at that view. Let's get the little thumbnail here. That might be the shot right there. Woo-hoo. Oh, dude, yeah, the speed camera. Oh, 23, there's no way. Don't know exactly where we are on familiar roads, so I'm going to take this a little slow. Oh man, so nice and quiet. What is this kid doing? Oh, are we stopping? We're stopping. Oh, Royal Blue. Okay. Grocery store. Squeeze past here. Yeah, dude, it's so quiet. So Chris just rode the Burromax. He's ridden the bike before with the chain, and now he's ridden it with the belt. He loved it. He's like, dude, it's so much quieter. So it is a very noticeable upgrade. Where are we headed? Aggressive with the horns. I like the little, it's 12-inch super mode is on that Talaria. Looks good. We going up the garage? Yeah, I'm just gonna go around. I'm just gonna go around. Up the garage we go. Here's where you really notice the lack of noise, because there's echoes in here. You can hear the bike so quiet, man. This is awesome. Woo! Absolutely love it with the belt drive. Stealth mode, look at lights off. Silent bike, they don't know I'm here. Look at that. All right, another stop here. I think we're gonna get going here soon. Actually, look at how bright that headlight. Once your eyes have adjusted to the dark, dude, this headlight's not bad. Ugh. Woo! Try the left side here. Don't like that. Blech. All right, dude. How do I get back? Down this way? Oh, I know where I am. Yeah.
On the bridge, just go over there. Gotta come under. And
Take the
cross.
trail down and then cross. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, dude. Good seeing you, bro. We need to ride again soon. I'm gonna head out.
Yeah.
Well, all right, my dudes. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate you guys for watching. As for the belt kit, I'm super happy. Just listen to it. It's so quiet. It's exactly what I wanted for this bike. It's quiet, it smooths out the power delivery a little bit, and it doesn't affect the performance. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.